Hello everyone. Now let's introduce the unpacking process of Magic HTL. When we receive the printer, first we need to check whether the wooden case is intact. If the wooden case is damaged or accidental, please contact the sales and logistics personnel in time. Now I'll show you how to dismantle it. Before dismantling, we need to prepare 3 tools: gloves, vise and slotted screwdriver. First, we need to wear gloves. First, we need to remove the upper cover. The upper cover can be fixed in 2 forms: internal fixation and external fixation. We insert a screwdriver into the gap between the fastener and the board. Tilt up the retaining buckle. Other buttons are handled in the same way. Break each fixing buckle straight with a vise. Then take out the upper cover directly. After removing the upper cover, we can remove the front panel or the rear panel. After the removal of the whole wooden case, move the printer to a suitable location. So far, unpacking has been completed. Now we introduce the power on and pre-use inspection of Magic HTL. The power cord is in the left filament box of the printer. Cut the tie with scissors and take out the power cord. Then connect the power supply. In order to prevent the print head and other items from moving during transportation, all are fixed with TIs. We opened the front door. It can be seen that both X-axis and Y-axis are fixed with TIs. Cut the tie before use. And remove foam cotton. Then we press and hold the start button to start the machine until we hear the sound on our motherboard. Click Tools. Click Manual. Click the Z-axis to move upward. Take out the kit and check the contents. Take out the materials and instructions, as well as high-temperature gloves. After taking out all the items, find the door handle and our hexagon socket set in the kit. Find the 2.5 mm hexagon socket. From small to large, the third. Get the door handle and remove the nut and gasket on the back. Install the door handle from the front of the door. Place gaskets and nuts on the back of the door. At this time, counter screws with the hexagon socket. Clamp the nut with pliers. Just tighten the screws. Note that it does not need to be tightened particularly. Just don't let it loose. The horizontal is open. The vertical is closed. So far, unpacking and preparation of Magical HTL have been completed.